Hello students, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to study all the labelings related to the mammary gland. Now see, mammary gland, functional mammary gland is a characteristic feature of all female mammals and it contains glandular tissue and fat. So this is the fat present here. And glandular tissue is divided into 15 to 20 mammary lobes. So this is mammary lobes. And how many mammary lobes they are telling? 15 to 20. Clear? And these lobes contain the cell. These cells are known as alveoli. So cell contain alveoli. Now alveoli will secrete the milk which is stored in the cavity and it open into the mammary tubules. So mammary tubule labeling is not there in this diagram. So you have to learn it separately. It opens into the mammary tubules. So after alveoli is mammary tubules. Now tubules will join to form mammary duct. This is the next labeling which is given in the NCERT diagram. This is mammary duct. But if you will read the theory, after alveoli makes mammary tubules and then mammary duct. And mammary duct will join to form ampulla. And ampulla which is connected to the lactiferous duct. This is a sequence, please learn it properly. Lactiferous duct. And this is the areolae, which is made up of sebaceous gland because mammary gland is modified sweat gland and milk is sucked out from the nipple here. This is ribs. This is muscles present between the ribs. And this is pectoralis major muscle. So you can see here the NCERT theory also. So mammary gland is a paired structure which contains glandular tissue and fat. Glandular tissue is divided into mammary lobes which contain alveoli. Alveoli will secrete milk. Alveoli open into mammary tubules. Tubules will join mammary duct which forms ampulla and lactiferous duct from where the milk is sucked out. Now, again, very important concept based from your 11th class chemical control and coordination chapter. See here. Estrogen is the one which is responsible for mammary gland development. All these are from that NCERT. Please check your endocrine chapter. From there, the statements I have taken it. Progesterone also acts on mammary gland, stimulate the formation of alveoli and milk secretion. Please understand this very properly, very important question related to your need. The progesterone is for the formation of alveoli and for milk secretion. But prolactin is the one which is responsible for the formation of milk. And oxytocin is responsible for milk ejection. I hope so you are getting my question. Who is responsible for formation of milk? Prolactin. Who is responsible for milk secretion? Progesterone. Who is responsible for milk ejection? Oxytocin. Another important question, please focus. Mammary gland development is by estrogen, but who is regulating the development? Who regulate the growth of the mammary gland is prolactin. Very, very important question based on for your NEET preparation, for your CBSE board preparation also. So please learn this very properly. I've taken this from the different questions. I've got this idea that this is the way the question framing is going on. Clear? So milk formation is prolactin, milk secretion is progesterone, milk ejection is oxytocin. Mammary gland development is estrogen, but prolactin is the one which regulates mammary gland. And formation of alveoli is progesterone. So I hope so this mammary gland and all the questions related to it might be easy for you. Thanks for watching.